Today we will be going over the Union All node. The Union All node in Sparkflows works similar to the Union All function in SQL in that it displays all the similar rows between two datasets. In this workflow, we have a structured CSV file containing information regarding the iris plant. This CSV file is then split twice randomly, and the Union All node finds all the similar rows between these two splits, including repeated rows. The print n rows node then prints out the first 10 results of the Union All node. When we execute this workflow, we see the expected result at the bottom.